That's a very big Phoenix canariensis. We've got Phoenix canariensis growing everywhere around here. The birds drop the seeds. Currawongs eat the seeds and they drop them all over the place and they come up. Some people consider them weed trees. They are weed trees in New Zealand and on the coastal areas of New South Wales and the eastern seaboard. But I like them. They're very tropical looking, aren't they? Unlike some other palm trees, they have nasty points on the end of their leaves. That's not very nice. They do have edible fruits, but they're more perishable than ordinary dates. They're a kind of date palm. They're related to Phoenix dactylifera, the date palm. Let's have a look in the centre. Any dates in there? I wonder what creatures live in the heart of that tree. There could be a bird's nest in there or anything. Isn't it beautiful? Very spiky looking in there. Nice and leafy and tropical though, sort of tropical. They're from the Canary Islands. That's why they're called Phoenix canariensis, Canary Island Date Palms. Aren't they lovely? They do look a bit prehistoric, don't they? Those bottom leaves can be untidy, can't they? I suppose they'd be a bit of a fire hazard in summer. I imagine there'd be a lot of creatures living in there. Wonder who lives in there. I'll show you some small Phoenix canariensises that grow around my grounds. That one's too far away, I'm not walking over there. Here's a nice one that came up from a seed. Dropped out of a currawong's bottom. That's very drought-hardy once established. Clean you up a bit. Oh, isn't it nice? The leaves are a bit sharp though, you could jab yourself. They have edible dates. I think you can make a sugar out of the sap too. I think they used to make a sugar out of the sap of the Phoenix canariensis. I think they live for about 80 years generally. Isn't it gorgeous? It's just like a beautiful fern. It's too hot for most ferns out this way, but this gives that ferny lush effect. So lush. I'm sure a dinosaur would like to chomp these up. An herbivorous dinosaur would have chomped the leaves up. Isn't it wonderful and lush? This is another that came up from a seed that a bird dropped. Oh! They're very sharp. You want to watch your eyes too. Wouldn't want to get poked in the eye. The ends of the leaves can be pretty sharp, so you wouldn't plant them right outside your door or window really. Although once they grow up to a certain height, they lose all their leaves. If you peel all the dead leaves off, you just get a tree trunk, so it's not so bad then. But when they're young like this, you wouldn't want one outside your doorway. Not really. This looks like one come up from seed, unless this one's a Cocos Island palm. It feels softer to the touch. I don't know if it's Phoenix canariensis or not. Hello, goat. Hello, you little fool. Look behind the goat, look. There's another Phoenix canariensis, look. See how it's lost its lower branches? That's Phoenix canariensis. They lose their lower leaves. You can trim them. So much for my intelligent focus. That's Phoenix canariensis, and they have edible dates. Are there any dates up there? Something, yes, look, there's some little green things. There are the dates there. There they are. Don't, you're not coming over the fence. Oh, what's she capable of? What's she capable of? She's capable of anything. I think so. Yes. Anyway, there's a beautiful Phoenix canariensis. Very drought-hardy once established. So they give that sort of Somerset Mormy short story type feeling. Hot climates with palm trees. These ones have got privet mixed with them. That's another thing. If you ever want to use lawn poison, they say that if you use weedicide to kill a lawn around a Phoenix canariensis or palm tree, it's very easy to, palm trees take up poison just like grass. They're more related to grass than they are to trees, apparently, as far as weedicide is concerned. So if you put grass killer around a palm tree, you can actually kill the palm tree because they're just like grass in a way. Oh. Yes, they come up all over the place. That one's got privet growing amongst it. We'll have to somehow pull all that privet out without hurting the palm tree. Lovely and tropical and lush looking. That goat's very good at eating privet, actually. Isn't it nice? Very tropical feel. That's like a feather. It's like a beautiful bird's feather. Look at it. So they just come up everywhere, and we don't discourage them. We don't discourage them because they're beautiful. They're beautiful. Aren't they lovely? Look. See you then.